Hey guys, so today I will be reviewing this Vivid Tint Water from Peripera. And I have 4 out of 5 shades right here. So if you wanna know my thoughts, then please keep on.
언제까지 기다리기만 하려는지 내 입은 고장난 듯이 움직이질 않아 속으로만 삼킨 내 목소리 널 불러 You, you, 또 you, you yeah, 다가설게 너의 하루도 나로 꽉 차길 바래 너를 처음 바라본 순간 나도 모르게 숨이
I really love the packaging of these lip tints, and obviously this line is inspired by different fruit juices because as you can see in the packaging, and the shade names are Cranberry, Peach, Apple, Grapefruit, and Plum Squeeze. Plus they are made with real fruit extract and they have a sweet fruit scent. My only issue in the packaging is that I cannot read the shade name on the product itself. And the applicator is a doe-foot wand, and its consistency is very watery. When it comes to application, I cannot do the gradient lip effect on this product because it dries really fast and they are very pigmented. And make sure that you get enough product on the applicator because it feathers out quite a lot as you can see on this video. And also to avoid staining your teeth. I also observed that these are all pink-based lip tints because after a few hours, the shade will fade and will just leave a vivid pink color on my lips, even with the darkest plum shade. Now for longevity, as I have mentioned, the shade will fade, but it will definitely leave a stain for a very long time, even after brushing your teeth at night or the next morning. You can get these lip tints for around 250 pesos each, which I think is a pretty good value for its performance. Overall, this is not a must-have for me, but they are worth trying. Yes, they are cute and long-lasting, but the fact that it feathers a lot and it can stain my teeth, well, for me, this is just not my go-to lip tint. Well, except for Apple Squeeze because it applies sheer. So if you're into these natural-looking lips, then you can try this shade. So that's it for my review of Peripera Vivid Tint Water Lip Tints. I hope this video helped you if you're deciding to buy this product. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and be notified by clicking the bell button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next one. Bye bye!